Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX. And today, we'll be reviewing the BingFeng QBZ 95. The QBZ 95 is a Chinese bullpup rifle. It's currently being used by the Chinese military, and it's a bullpup, so I instantly like it. Gels. And I got this second hand from a seller who posted it on the forums, and I just bought it. And it looks so different. I love it. See? It's nice. First, the quality. This one is probably not nylon. It's ABS, and with a matte rubberized coating, which probably will peel off after a year or so. So that's a disadvantage. It looks and feels nice, but it will be prone to scratches. But it looks wonderful. See? Trades. Literally nothing. I don't know about China respecting copyright things, or it doesn't really exist on the Chinese models. I don't know. Features, ooh, very limited. An on-off switch, safe, full auto. It does have a magazine prime, which is also ambidextrous, which I like. That's it. It has a magazine prime, so even for a cheap unit, it's nice. Battery space here on the on the grip, and it uses the small come out batteries, the toy ones. So there won't be much options for upgrades. Even I haven't opened this one, but I'm not expect you will be able to upgrade this one. BB capacity standard Gen 8 mag, but again Gen 8 is Gen 8. It's not really a standard. Okay. So your mileage will vary. Even though it's a Gen 8, Gen 8s are not standardized. There's so many versions. The usual, this Gen 8 mag that has a opening. This fits. So that's nice. So this is this mag. Oh, this one has trades P mag, and is the real type 95 uses a cube Stanag mags? I don't remember. Probably. Weight, nothing. It's barely a kilo. It's very light. It has, I think the only metal part I can notice is the inner barrel. It is aluminum, so that's nice. But this doesn't have a thread, so no thread. So that's a disadvantage, and this one moves side. So I need to do something about that one. It's quite long. Around, this is a bullpup already, so. Huh? Really? It's probably around 400. millimeters. Wow, that's low. I think that's the reason why this is 200 FPS, 210. Considering that it probably have a toy grade gearbox because of the extremely long 400 millimeter barrel. So nice. Range, since it has a easy 10 meters, but again, it starts to go down beyond 10 meters. So yeah, actually using the nice white gels from Earl, so accuracy is quite good. And very nice. Price, I got this second hand around 2,000 pesos, I think last year or last year. So expect the price around that one. So it's nice, it's fine. Oh, it does have a Picatinny rail on the top, so you can add your optics. And personally, I would have it removed because it, what do you call this one? Is in the way of the iron sights, which is basically nothing. Again, it's a rotating thing here. And so, no iron sights. Overview, it's a cheap unit. It looks nice. It's light. And it's a bullpup. So, if it's for children, they would love this. Actually, my pamangkin, what's the English? Borrowed this one for almost 2 weeks. I think he enjoyed because it's already gone. It's light and very sounds nice. It's a bullpup. Hope more people start to love them. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!